This is Nana Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Tuesday, October 20th, 2015. Looking at the next few days, there are no real fire potential impacts in the forecast. We are expecting to see some showers and thunderstorms across southeastern Utah this afternoon. Those will continue to develop each afternoon through about Thursday. Elsewhere in the Great Basin, we are looking at temperatures close to seasonal normals. Over the past 24 hours, there was quite a bit of precipitation across the Great Basin. You can see the greatest storm totals were across portions of Utah, and with these storms there was also quite a bit of lightning, as you can see from the map on the right. It's been quite wet over the past week across the Great Basin. The image on the left shows observed precipitation over the past week. You can see that much of the Great Basin has received some precipitation, with totals ranging from about 1/4 of an inch up to 2 inches. So it has been quite wet this past week, and the map on the right illustrates how far this is from normal. You can see that portions of Nevada are well above normal as far as precipitation over the past 7 days. As you'd expect with the recent cooler, wetter weather, ERCs have been trending downwards, with all stations reporting ERCs below the 50th percentile for this time of year. And as you would also expect, all PSAs within the Great Basin are below that 50th percentile. The water vapor satellite shows a low pressure system off to the southwest of the Great Basin, and that will slowly make its way eastward, influencing our weather over the next few days. This afternoon, significant fire potential is low across the entire Great Basin, as we do have very moist fuels. This afternoon, as I mentioned, we will see the showers and thunderstorms continue across portions of central and southeastern Utah and far southeastern Nevada. The most widespread storm coverage will be across eastern Utah, and there is a potential for some snow across the higher elevations. We are looking at some gusty winds this afternoon across western Utah. On Wednesday, we'll see that low pressure system continue to slowly make its way eastward. And as a result, showers and thunderstorms will continue across southeastern Utah. The coverage won't be as widespread as what is expected this afternoon. Winds will be much lighter tomorrow afternoon across the Great Basin. Moving into Thursday, we'll see that low pressure system make its way to the east, with another disturbance moving into the northwestern part of the Great Basin. As a result, we will see yet another day of showers and thunderstorms, though coverage will not be too widespread, and there is, again, the potential for some snow across the higher terrain. So moving to Friday, that system will continue to make its way east, and we'll see high pressure building over the western part of the Great Basin. And moving into Saturday and Sunday, we'll start to see more zonal flow. What that means is that temperatures will remain close to normal, and there is a potential for some weather disturbances to make their way through the Great Basin, and that continues into Monday. So we're not really looking at any big warm-up in the next week or two, as we do remain in a more unsettled weather pattern. Finally, looking at the 8 to 14 day period, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for warmer temperatures in that further period, in that more extended period, with temperatures above normal across pretty much the entire United States, really. And as far as precipitation, we're looking at above normal precipitation across the entire Great Basin in an 8 to 14 day period. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Our contact information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.